Hello, let's meet Chiku the squirrel. It has four numbered balls 2, 4, 6, and 8. Chiku wants to pick any three balls and find two things, the maximum total and the minimum total. Maximum means the biggest total we can get by adding the numbers. To get the maximum, Chiku must pick the biggest three numbers from the group. Chiku looks at all the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. The biggest three are 4, 6, and 8. Let's add them. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Chiku cannot get a bigger number than 18 by using just 3 balls. Now, what is minimum? Minimum means the smallest total that we can get. To find it, Chiku must choose the smallest three numbers. From 2, 4, 6, and 8, the smallest three numbers are 2, 4, and 6. If we add them, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is the minimum total. Chiku cannot get a smaller number than 12 using any other three balls. So to get the maximum, Chiku used the biggest three numbers 4, 6, and 8. To get the minimum, Chiku used the smallest three 2, 4, and 6. Now you know how to find the maximum and minimum total by picking the biggest or smallest numbers out of a set of numbers. Keep practicing more such problems. Bye bye.